Hello students, in this video we will solve next questions of exercise 1.1. Question number 7 is, tell what property allow you to compute the given calculation. 1 upon 3 into inside bracket 6 into 4 upon 3 as 1 upon 3 into 6 bracket close and after then 4 upon 3. You have remembered that by associative property, by associative property we can write that A will be outside of bracket and inside bracket will be B into C, and it will be equal to the A into B will be inside in bracket and outside bracket will be C. You can see here there are three numbers A, B, C. In first case we will take two number B and C inside bracket and outside bracket will be A, and the second time we will take A and B inside a bracket and outside bracket will be C here, and both values will be equal here, so we will solve it by the associative property. You can see here 1 upon 3 into outside of bracket inside of bracket 6 into 4 upon 3 will be 24 upon 3. Is that clear? Now in the second case, A into B 1 upon 3 into 6 will be 2 into 4 upon 3. Now you can see here 3 cut by 24 give us 8, so it will be 8 upon 3, and 4 multiplied by 2 give us 8 upon 3. You can see here both are equal, so we can use the associative property. According to this property we have a 3 number, and in first case we take the last two number in bracket and first number will be outside of bracket, and the second condition is we will take the other two number in bracket and outside bracket will be third number. Is that clear? Now we will solve the question number 8. Is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8? He asking that 8 upon 9 will be the multiplicative of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. Check it. So remember that when 8 upon 9 will be multiplicative inverse of the given number, then multiply of both number will be positive 1. So look at it here 8 upon 9 multiply by the given number minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. You can see here 8 upon 9 multiply, look at it here, it is the given mixed fraction, so we will change it to the simple fraction. It will be minus 9 upon 8. 8 cut by 8, 9 cut by 9, we got here minus 1. We have result minus 1, but according to the identity of multiplicative inverse, result will be 1 here, only positive 1. Here result is not positive 1. Therefore 8 upon 9 is not multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8, because we know that according to the property of multiplicative inverse, multiply of both number will be the positive, but here you can see we got minus 1, so the given number is not to the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. Now we will solve question number 9. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3? Why or why not? So if 0.3 is multiplicative inverse of the given number, then after multiply both number we got the plus 1. So here 0.3 multiply by the 3 whole 1 upon 3. You can see here 0.3 we can write 3 upon 10 into, we change it into the simple fraction, 3 3 is 9 and plus 1 will be 10 upon 3. 10 cut by the 10 and 3 will be cut by 3, so we got the plus 1. Okay, you got the plus 1 answer. So you can say that 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of the given number, because product of the both number is 1. Here product of both number is 1, so 0.3 is multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3, because you can see here when we multiply 0.3 by the given number we got 1, positive 1, so it satisfy the property of multiplicative inverse. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. आज के लिए इतना ही.